From Daily Forex, this is Chris looking at Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin's done nothing again during the day. And really, that's been the story for about 6 weeks again. This is a lot like this time frame back here, if you remember that. And this is a market that is, quite frankly, trying to bore people out of it. And I think that is what it's going to take for Bitcoin to finally build up an uptrend again. I think the bottoming case is probably going to be multi-year. We're not melting down at this point, but clearly rallies are to be sold. Certainly don't trust them. I mean, look at this. This was at one point an 8% gain, and everybody, I shouldn't say everybody, but I was reading a lot of things on the internet about how great this was and how Bitcoin's back. And since then, we've just gone sideways. We haven't done anything. The volume has been nothing. So at this point, I think the downtrend line holds. I think the 50-day EMA holds. And I really feel that 4,000 holds. I do believe that we go lower. So short-term rallies would be selling opportunities. 3,000 would be support. Longer term, though, this is the kind of action you need. You need a lot of that hot retail money to get out. The problem Bitcoin's going to have is we need it to, I don't think it's seen its capitulation yet, believe it or not, because the fact that we are so quiet here. Because if we don't get the capitulation, it'll be difficult to rally, because as you go higher, you're going to see people at various levels, retail traders especially, that got in, say, at 7,000, 8,000, 10,000, etc., where there'll be big clusters of people trying to get out at break even, trying to save that money that they piled into Bitcoin when it was too late. So really, you want to see this market puke itself up. It hasn't done it yet, at least completely. A long, quiet troughing process is probably what we're starting. So I think short-term rallies can be sold still. I don't see anything's changed on this chart, except for that your expectations shouldn't be for massive moves.